Hey guys, I'm Dave. I'm a student. You know, I like to play video games in my free time with all my friends. And I'm sure that more than half of students have that talk like me. They love all things about social media, chatting on phone, surfing internet, play video games on computer. So, can you imagine do all things with social media? Social media makes students lazier. They don't want to do anything or even communicate. Don't believe me? Let's see.
Dad,
What?
can you pick up the phone?
No, I'm busy.
Okay. Dad,
What?
do you want to eat something? We have some cakes.
No, I'm full.
Okay. Dad,
What?
I want to talk something with you.
I don't care. I don't want to talk to you. Go away.
So you should love yourself.
Day by day, it will become a habit. They will never give it up. Okay? Oh, hello, Long.
Hello?
Are you free now?
Yes.
Oh, let's go to school right now.
Okay.
Oh, hello, Bob. Hello? Go to school, don't you? Yeah. Okay, see you at school. Oh, Long, what did you do last summer?
Trampoline.
Travel.
Yeah.
So, who did you go with?
My family. Yes.
Okay. Well, yes. Do you want to have fun in this weekend? No. There's a games event this weekend. Events? Yes. You see, that's a bad habit, right? Okay. Do you want to be lazy or be alone? It's terrible. So, don't depend much on social media. Live your life. Bye.